सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ इन्वायरमेंटल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। सो इन्वायरमेंटल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी के बारे में हम पहले ही एक यूनिट और एक मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस का एक सेट हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं और ये सेट नंबर 2 है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ इन्वायरमेंटल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। आज हम इस यूनिट में मेनली बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप और ज़्यादा इन्वायरमेंटल साइंसेज के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं, क्वेश्चंस को रीड करना चाहते हैं, तो आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन प्रोसेस क्या होती है। सो जो एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन गैस होती है उसको अमोनिया में कन्वर्ट करने को क्या कहते हैं? बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन। ओके, एंड अमोनिया को नाइट्रिफिकेशन प्रोसेस में अमोनिया सबसे पहले कन्वर्ट होती है नाइट्राइट में NO2 माइनस नाइट्रोसोमोनास बैक्टीरिया के द्वारा, एंड नाइट्राइट कन्वर्ट होता है नाइट्रेट में नाइट्रोसोबैक्टर बैक्टीरिया के द्वारा। डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन प्रोसेस में ये नाइट्रेट है वो नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड के रूप में एटमॉस्फेयर में रिलीज हो जाता है। जब प्लांट की डेथ हो जाती है तो यही नाइट्रेट है वो वापस से अमोनिया में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है बाय द अमोनिफिकेशन प्रोसेस। सो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन में क्या होता है? जो नाइट्रोजन प्लस 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लस 8 हाइड्रोजन in presence of 16 ATP converted into the ammonia and hydrogen. So hydrogen is a byproduct in the nitrogen fixation process. So this is about the nitrogen fixation process, or we can say this is a nitrogen cycle. तो चलिए अभी क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन? सो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन क्या होता है? एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को उस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देना जो प्लांट्स के लिए यूजेबल हो। चलिए ऑप्शन चेक करते हैं। द प्रोसेस बाय विच नाइट्रोजन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू गैस, दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर। द प्रोसेस बाय विच नाइट्रोजन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द यूजेबल फॉर्म फॉर प्लांट्स, दिस इज द राइट ऑप्शन। द प्रोसेस बाय विच ऑक्सीजन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू गैस, नो इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द ऑक्सीजन, that's why the wrong option. The process by which carbon dioxide is converted into the usable form for plants, again this is the wrong option because it is not related to the CO2. So the right answer is the process by which the nitrogen is converted into the usable forms for plants. Which of the following organisms can perform nitrogen fixation? So let's check the options. Bacteria, yes, bacteria can perform the nitrogen fixation. Fungi, no, fungi are not able to fix nitrogen. Plants are also not able to fix nitrogen, and animal are not able to fix the nitrogen. So the right answer is the bacteria. The bacteria, they in the symbiotic relationship with the plants, okay, they fix the nitrogen in soil. So the right answer is bacteria. Next question. What is the role of legumes in nitrogen fixation? सो जो लेग्यूम प्लांट्स है, लेग्यूम क्रॉप्स है, उनका नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन में क्या रोल है? चलिए ऑप्शन चेक करते हैं। द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, लेग्यूम प्रोवाइड ए हैबिटेट फॉर नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया, यस, राइट ऑप्शन। लेग्यूम आर एबल टू परफॉर्म नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन ऑन देयर ओन, wrong answer. They are not able to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. They fix the nitrogen in the presence of bacteria. Legumes are able to absorb atmospheric nitrogen gas, wrong answer. Legume release nitrogen into soil through their roots, wrong answer. So the right answer is the A, first one. Legume provide habitat for nitrogen fixing bacteria. Which of the following is not a factor that can limit the nitrogen fixation? Okay, so let's check the options. First one is the low level of oxygen in soil. The low level of oxygen in soil affect the nitrogen fixation. But he in the question they asking not. Which one is the not a factor that is not affecting? So low level affecting high level of nitrogen in soil, not affecting low temperature, affecting low level of nutrients can affect the nitrogen fixation. So the high level of nitrogen in soil cannot affect the nitrogen fixation process because the microbes absorb the convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the usable forms. So the high concentration around the roots is not affect the nitrogen fixation process. Which of the following is a benefit of nitrogen fixation? So nitrogen fixation का क्या benefit है? So it increase soil acidity, wrong answer. Increase the level of greenhouse gases, no, again this is the wrong answer. Improve soil fertility, yes, the nitrogen fixation increase the nitrogen content in soil, so it improve the soil fertility. Decrease plant growth, again this is the wrong answer. So the right answer is it improve the soil fertility. Which of the following is a form of nitrogen that plant can use? So let's check the option. Generally the plant use nitrate form, okay, NO3 minus. But some plant also absorb the ammonium form. Like rice plant can use both nitrate as well as ammonium form. Okay. So let's check the option. This is a general question. So the nitrogen gas, no, wrong answer. Nitrite, no, wrong answer. Nitrate, yes, and ammonia also yes. So in generally plant, which plant form is maximum used by the plant? Nitrate. So the right answer is the nitrate. If they specify the plant like the rice crop or rice plant use which form, then we select the ammonium answer. What is the role of nitrogenase in nitrogen fixation? What is the role of nitrogenase in the nitrogen fixation? So this is an enzyme that convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form. So we can say in the nitrate. So let's check the options. Nitrogenase convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form for the plants. This is the right option. Nitrogenase convert nitrate into atmospheric nitrogen gas. No, this is the wrong answer. Nitrogenase convert nitrogen gas into oxygen gas. Again, the wrong answer. Nitrogenase convert oxygen into the nitrogen gas. Wrong answer. The right answer is the first one. It convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form for plants. Which of the following is a common form? Which of the following is a common method for measuring the nitrogen fixation? So let's check the option. Nitrate test, ammonia test, acetylene reduction assay, and urea test. So the right answer is the acetylene reduction assay is the common method for measuring the nitrogen fixation. In acetylene reduction assay, this acetylene reduction assay measure the production of ethylene by the nitrogen fixing bacteria in presence of acetylene. Okay, so जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन बैक्टीरिया जो भी इथाइलिन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं उसको एसिटिलीन की प्रेजेंस में मेजर किया जाता है इस टेस्ट में. So which of following is an example of non-legume plant that can fix nitrogen? Okay, so wheat not fixing the nitrogen, corn not fixing the nitrogen, rice not fixing the nitrogen, and none of the above. So the right answer is the none of the above. What is the enzyme responsible for catalyzing the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia? So the right answer is the nitrogenase. We already discussed about the nitrogenase. So this is the right answer. What is the most common form of nitrogen that is fixed by the bacteria? Okay, so the options are nitrate, ammonia, nitrite, and urea. So ammonia is the most common form that is used by the bacteria for fixing. Which of the following is not a way in which nitrogen can be fixed? Okay, so let's check the options. Lightning is responsible for the fixing of nitrogen. Industrial process like Haber-Bosch process is responsible for the nitrogen fixation. Biological process like biological nitrogen fixation is responsible for the fixing of nitrogen, and volcanic activities, they are not responsible for the nitrogen fixing. So the right answer is the volcanic activities. What is the process of converting atmospheric nitrogen gas into foam that can be used by plants? Called nitrogen cycle, nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, nitrogen mineralization. So right answer is the nitrogen fixation. B. Which of the following not a method of nitrogen fixation? Okay, let's check the option. Industrial nitrogen fixation. The Haber-Bosch process is an example of industrial nitrogen fixation in which they use the atmospheric nitrogen. Biological nitrogen fixation is also a method of nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation. So there is no atmospheric nitrogen fixation process. And terrestrial nitrogen fixation. So terrestrial cell bacteria responsible for the fixation of the nitrogen in the soil. So which method is not used for nitrogen fixation? So the right answer is the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Which of the following is an example of symbiotic relationship involved in the nitrogen fixation? So as per the nitrogen fixation, the right answer is the nitrogen fixing bacteria living in the roots of legumes. Okay, so this is the right example of symbiotic relationship involved in the nitrogen fixation. Which of the following human activities can contribute to nitrogen fixation? Okay, so which of the following human activities can contribute to nitrogen fixation? So let's check the option. Fertilizer production and use, burning fossil fuels. So the burning of fossil fuels are not contribute in the nitrogen fixation. Deforestation is also not contributing in the nitrogen fixation, and fertilizer production and use. This is the right answer. So the fertilizer production and use, the Haber-Bosch process, that is the industrial process used for the production of the fertilizer. They use the atmospheric nitrogen for the production of the ammonia, and that ammonia used for the production of the fertilizers. So the right answer is the fertilizer production and use. What is denitrification? तो denitrification means क्या होता है? जो भी प्लांट यूजेबल फॉर्म है उसको नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड में कन्वर्ट कर देना, और यही नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड सोयल से इमिट हो जाती है, एंड दे आल्सो एक्ट एज ए ग्रीन हाउस गैस. So let's check the options. The process converting the atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms. Wrong answer. The process of breaking down nitrogen compound into the nitrogen gas. The process converting the ammonia into nitrogen gas. The process converting the nitrate into the ammonia. So the right answer is that the process breaking down the nitrogen compound into the nitrogen gas. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using synthetic nitrogen fertilizer? ओके, सिंथेटिक नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर को यूज में लेने के क्या डिसएडवांटेज है? लेट्स चेक द ऑप्शंस. दे आर एक्सपेंसिव, दे कैन हार्म बेनिफिशियल soil organisms, they can pollute waterways, they are not effective. So the right answer is they can pollute the waterways. They pollute the water bodies and they create the problem of eutrophication that are responsible for algal bloom. Which of the following is an example of industrial process for nitrogen fixation? So let's check the options. Haber-Bosch process is an example of industrial process that are responsible for nitrogen fixation. Kelvin cycle is not responsible. Krebs cycle is not related. And electron ETC, electron transport chain, is also not related for nitrogen fixation. So right answer is the Haber-Bosch process, and in this process the atmospheric nitrogen is used and react with the hydrogen and they form the ammonia, and this ammonia further used for the fertilizer production. So which of the following factor can affect the nitrogen fixation? So let's check the options. Soil pH affect the nitrogen fixation. Soil temperature is also affect the nitrogen fixation. Soil moisture also affect the nitrogen fixation. And fourth one, all of the above. So right answer is the all of the above. Now the next question. Which of the following is a byproduct of the nitrogen fixation? So in the initial slide, I told you nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen react with the electron and hydrogen ion and form the ammonia and hydrogen. Okay. So hydrogen is a byproduct in the nitrogen fixation process. So right answer is the hydrogen. Where does nitrogen fixation occur? So nitrogen fixation कहाँ पे होता है? Let's check the options. जनरली क्या होता है कि जैसे सपोज ये प्लांट्स है, ये सोइल है, यहाँ पे प्लांट्स में रूट्स हैं, तो यहाँ जो भी रूट नोडुल्स होते हैं उनमें बैक्टीरिया अटैच हो जाते हैं और दे fix the nitrogen in soil, not in root nodules. Okay, they fix the nitrogen in the soil. So right answer, in the roots of plant, no. In the leaves of plants, no. In the atmosphere, no. In the soil. So right answer is the in the soil. So bacteria fix the nitrogen in the soil. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. अगले वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.